Well.
Don't move, you got something in your... Oh, never mind. What the hell? Oh. Oh, no.
What?
No, 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 no.
What?
Oh, that's bad. That's coming out of the car. We're a couple of minutes into pulling the engine. It's not really true. We've done all the prep work, pulling off the wires, hoses, clamps, that sort of thing, but we're down to the motor mounts. And this last one's going to be, or this first one rather, is going to be a pain in the butt because the nut on the other side of it is stripped. I can't cut the motor mount because I'm not going to cut the motor mount, but I have to drill out this other one. So that's what we're doing.
I'm broke and ain't got a dime. I'm broke and I ain't got a dime. I'm broke and ain't got a dime. Everybody gets it hard up sometimes. I was standing on East Cairo Street one day.
I'm going to get a punch.
Yeah, hit it.
Hit it with a punch.
Standing on East Cairo Street one day. Standing on East Cairo Street one day. One dime was all I had. That's it.
Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
Let's just stop this right here.
Okay.
I think once we get the other ones loose,
It'll fall out?
it'll pop out.
Okay.
You know, because now there's hardly anything holding it.
Right.
All right. Let's put some weight on it.
All right.
That's too much. All right. Right there. Yes. We've got just enough tension on it to, you can still jiggle it, which means to me there's some pressure on it, but not all. You don't want to put so much pressure on it that you pick the car up, and then when you do the motor mounts, it scares the bejesus out of you. Let's take the front most engine mount off, and we'll go from there. Got it? Yep. You're putting it on.
Yeah. Can't even.
No, you can't even get to it. It's a captured nut. It's welded to the back of the piece of metal there, which on a car that's got a rust issue is a real problem because water always collects right there. And then the captured nut breaks off and spins. And that's when you gotta go to, I really probably shouldn't say any of this out loud. All right, so let's move to the rearmost. Hey.
Oh, shit.
What? It's moving?
You know that water problem you jinxed us about?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You're kidding me.
No.
You are kidding me.
Where's the... Oh, the GoPro's looking at it. Okay. Well,
Jesus.
It's pouring. It's having a little party down here.
It's just spinning?
No. It's fine. It's coming out.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just plenty of water right there.
As long as it's not busted loose. Well, actually, dude, it's been inside. If there's water right there, it's from when I disconnected the hoses.
Oh. Well, whatever.
Don't move, you got something in your... Oh, never mind. What the hell? Oh. Oh, no.
What?
No.
What? Shit.
Okay. Just scared me for a minute, like it might be... Oh, that's bad. That's coming out of the car. Okay, well, wow.
It was a lot.
Yeah, it was. I don't know that I've ever seen that. I cannot believe that much water came out of the car. Okay, go ahead and loosen it a bit. I'm gonna take a little pressure off too. Yeah, Brett, back it off.
Yeah, the whole thing's jiggling.
Yeah, that one's toast. It's hung on the front. We're gonna have to grind. We're gonna have to grind some more on it. We really just need something to get down in that hole. Here, this is diamond. This might work. Where's the Dremel?
You have a diamond bit for your Dremel?
No, diamond stone.
Oh,
Not like, you know. What? What's better than what you got? You don't got anything. Well, you can give this a second and see what happens. Whoa. Whoa. I was afraid of that. Woo! Too fast. Too fast. Maybe I'm making this too complicated. Yeah, give me a sawzall. Woo! Okay, this is where we left off. Yep, there it goes. There it goes.
It just looks like the transmission side is a lot
Higher.
Yeah.
Is it hung up on the jack side or the transmission side?
Yeah.
I see what it is. I think a crowbar might be in order.
There you go.
Yep. Now, but no wheels. Yeah.
What's the start on? Oh, it's flat.
All right, keep going. There we go. All right, down.
I think it's hung on the back. A little more?
Grab the chain, see if you can pull it towards you.
No. Oh,
There we go. All right, now. Go.
let it loose?
Yeah. No, stop. Go.
Oh.
Up.
Up.
What is it? Got him. Here. can see. But I'm more concerned with being careful than I am. Y'all see what I'm doing. Okay, now, how does that come out? 12. Sneaky bastards. Sneaky bastards. I figured it out. There's a clip. There's a clip that you pull.
Hose off?
The cable.
Oh.
Yeah, like a brake cable.
Yeah. Yeah, if you just hand me that screwdriver and like a hammer or
Right there.
something just to...
Tap it.
Yeah. It's coming. It's almost off.
Haha.
Where I shot it.
Who cares? Who cares? All right, you can probably wiggle it out now.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, I think that's the. I think that's the.
The last part?
Yeah.
You want to find out?
Huh?
You want to find out?
Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. Now wait a minute. Is that making it worse?
You know.
No. Okay, you're right. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's much better, isn't it? That's why you get paid the big bucks, boy.
Yeah, right.
Give me my big hammer. The big hammer or any hammer, I guess. Yep. There we go.
Such a shitty position. There you go.
Yep, there it goes. It's sitting down in the little cradle I made. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Only one problem. There ain't no way it's coming out even from underneath that coil like that. No. We're not gonna use the car. I didn't want to cut the motor mounts. In the very first clip in this video, I say that I don't want to cut the motor mounts because I didn't want to cut the motor mounts because I didn't know what portion of that motor mount I would need. All the drilling and all the grinding in this video that we did over the course of those, what did I say? 19 days, made no difference. Made absolutely no difference. Because in the end, we ended up cutting the motor mount. Now, off camera, I went to an auto parts store online and brought up a picture of the motor mount that I can buy for this. And once I looked at the picture and I said, okay, this is the component that is going to be replaced. So this is the component that can be cut in half. Where does that leave us? That leaves us with an engine underneath the vehicle on the floor where I can't get to it. I'm going to have to lift the car and slide the engine out. And that is the plan for the next video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I do hope you'll want to check out what happens next. I am certainly excited to see what happens next. One last thing I'd like to say before we wrap up is I'd like to get a conversation started. If you want to hear more about this particular car, if you want to see something on this particular car, let me know in the comments and I'll try to show it to you. If you're think in the next, 6 months when the car's done, you might be interested in buying it, let me know now, and I'll be glad to show you anything you'd like to see and cover anything you'd like to cover. So just let me know below, and we'll get that conversation started. Thanks. See you next time.